Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, 2025. Let's take a look at the Ethereum. This is Ethereum quoted to USDC daily time frame chart. Let's take a look what is going on here. The first thing we would like to put on our chart is the major technical support, and this major technical support is quite important. There are few very close to each other. 3911. This is one of these technical support levels, the old high from the July 28, 2025. This previous low here, 4055, is the technical support, and the low from the September 6, 2025 is the technical support. Together, all of these technical supports consist the demand zone. Let me just mark it with the red rectangle. This demand zone is very important. It's the key demand zone in the short term. So this is exactly how it looks like. Now, any violation of this demand zone would likely result in further down movement, slide even towards 3,363, which is the low from the August 3rd, 2025. Now, since this high was made here at 4,930, which is very characteristic pin bar, it looks like a doji pin bar candlestick on a daily time frame chart, we've been moving lower, made a new local low, and during the pullback to the upside, bulls were not able to break above this high, so we made another lower high. So if we place the technical resistance line as it was here, it's almost the same level. Yeah, so right now we got this zone here. This is the supply zone, basically created with these three levels: 4,750, 4,930, $180 zone, and the market is getting lower. It's moving lower because the bulls are not that strong enough to break yet again above the swing high and, for example, test the $5,000 level. We got this breakout to the downside, very big candle breaking below this local technical support that was tested already. So if we place our local line here, the blue one, 4,400 is the major short-term technical resistance these days that needs to be violated for the bulls to test this zone here. Right now we had a breakout below this level, test of this level, rejection because of this big long upper shadow, and now we got inside bar, and then there's another inside bar of the inside bar. So what it means, volatility is decreasing. When the volatility is decreasing, after some time the volatility will increase, and there is most likely some kind of a breakout in either direction, to the upside, to the downside. In our situation, most likely the volatility increase will trigger movement to the downside back into this zone, and this is a very negative scenario for the bulls because any breakout below this zone opens the road to 3,363, right? So the bulls will be protecting this zone here. They did it here, they did it here. Now will they be strong enough to do it again and then go back to the range, building the base for the further movement to the upside? We will see. That's the question right now, what to do with the Ethereum. The last thing is, of course, the momentum. So let's take a look at the RSI indicator. As you can see, indicator is lying just over the level of 40, which means that the sentiment and the momentum is negative on the Ethereum in the short term, and this situation favors the downside movement. So right now bears are in charge of the market, waiting for the trigger that will cause the movement towards the supply zone, the last result in the short term for the bulls. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.